Hello, everyone. Jorge here with Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies. And I call this channel Everything IT because we talk about cybersecurity, blockchain, AI, smart contracts, cloud native technologies. This is the main concept. And what is cloud native technologies, right? What is microservices? How do you scale? How do you make things redundant? How do you take care of clustering, failover? And much more. So we talk about everything in this community that I'm inviting you to join me and Lake Cloud Canada and another company called Cloud Underground, the creators of the Underground Nexus, which is a sandbox that have everything IT. You don't need IT. Basically, what you need is developers just to code, save their code, and merge code with others. Simple as that. The platform is built. So we are this box is basically a platform engineer. This box is basically a SRE engineer. And of course, we are in the back end, making sure if you have a new request, something is not working, we'll help you, we'll support you. But we're looking for companies who wants to use our products. We're looking for entrepreneurs, people with the skills and non-skills. There is different levels where you can fit in. Doesn't matter if you are not a technical person. We still need marketing. We still need graphic designers. We need people with sales experience and much more. So today's video, let's get started. So we are talking, this is the third video about blockchain today, and especially talking about the Hyperledger framework, which is a permissioned or centralized blockchain. So in this topic right now will be about identity and member services. We say that in centralized blockchains, you need to have some kind of permission for you to deploy as smart contracts. This is different than decentralized blockchain like Ethereum, Solana, Bitcoin, Arbitrum, and many other blockchains, decentralized. So why the Hyperledger fabric is different than the others? Well, for you to be able to deploy smart contracts, you need to have some special membership, some special rules, some special access, right? For you to basically be able to, for you to be able to, actually, I'm going to stop this for a second. So the smart contracts basically, so if you are an entity, a user, a support or anything, you need to have some kind of membership. You need to be allocated somewhere in the identity and membership model of the Hyperledger. Okay, someone had to assign you some access, right? So maybe you have an access to basically be a peer endorser. That's it. Maybe you could be a committer, right? Maybe you could be an orderer, right? 3 different components, right? Maybe you can actually invoke the chain code. What is the chain code? Chain code in the Hyperledger means a smart contract. Okay, so maybe you can invoke the smart contract, maybe you cannot, right? So this is the access that the identity and membership services, the modularity that the Hyperledger is actually creating. So I'm actually quite amazed because a lot of the decentralized blockchain, they're coming out with the new stuff, but the more I learn about Hyperledger, those concepts were already there way before, years ago. Some of them, not everything, not every technology that applies to blockchain and smart contracts technologies today. But a lot of them were already there. The modularity part, just like how you add, like Celestia. Let's talk about the Celestia decentralized project, where modularity, you can choose, I want this module for identity, I want this module for the blockchain, and you combine it, and you can use these modules into other blockchains like rollups. The rollups now are using modules that were created by the Celestia network, and now they use it in other blockchains. So Hyperledger was already having this since a long time ago. It's not something new. So again, you already learned about components of the Hyperledger, the peer, which could be an endorser or a committer, and the committer, and the endorser could be an endorser and a committer, but the committer cannot be an endorser. And what happens after that? After you endorse, you commit it, you send it to the orderer. The orderer will make sure that everything gets sequentially it will get basically posted or stamped on the blockchain as it came, like the order. So there is not something messed up. It's like, just think about TCP packages going one after another. Some of them they get faster than others, and in the end you get assemble all the TCP packages, something like that. Just think about it like the order works that way. Okay, and the identity and membership services. Who are they? Entities, companies, regulators, the support people, the users, the computers. So they gotta be allocated somewhere. Just think about Active Directory, right? Active Directory, identity and membership services, and then think about Orderer as a TCP assembly packages, and the endorser who validates the signatures, and the committer who makes sure that everything is good too. And I hope you like this short video. I think like these concepts will help you to engage a lot more with me and the community, making it short concepts, and so on. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.